I'm improving day by day. I'm improving little by little. I'm improving step by step. I'm getting better every day. I'm getting better all the time. I'm getting better each time I practice. I feel pleased with my progress. I feel pleased with my level. I feel pleased with myself. I'm delighted by my progress. I'm energized by my progress. I'm at peace with my progress. I believe in my ability. I believe in my capability. I believe in my potential. I focus my concentration on studying. I focus my mind on practicing. I focus my attention on English. I use my energy to build my skills. I use my energy to control my attention. I use my energy to develop my willpower. I translate my thoughts to English. I translate my ideas to English. I translate my dreams to English. My thoughts attract what I think about. My thoughts attract more English. More English attracts more English. My skills get stronger every day. My skills get more sophisticated every day. My skills get more fabulous each day. I'm improving day by day.